Well, try to help some guy get unstuck. He's way down there. And then I got stuck in a big rut. We had to dig me out. I left the rods here. Nothing on this one. But this one's jumping. So let's check it out. My truck. Destroyed. If you need a handyman or a handy nurse, get a hold of my brother. Guess I'm going to Mr. Car Wash after this. This is fish on my hook, but also this is help your neighbor. Oh, I do got a fish. Oh, what do we got? Uh-oh. Can't get down there. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's just a little catfish. Just a little, oh no, it's not a catfish. It's a little carp. It's a little carp. A little carpy. Right on the lip. Wow, that's crazy. That's a perfect hook set when I wasn't even here. Hold still, buddy. Oh, you got a little mouth, dude. There we go. Little carp. He's heavy though, he's fat. He's back in. I don't have any more worms, so this rod's done. So, at least I got one fish for the day. This is my channel. Fish on my hook.